Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, ventilated front seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heads-up display, Sirius satellite radio, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.